Hi, we are here to create a public awareness about fire safety in Singapore.不是政府, I'm from private company. We are here to offer actually a free testing for you.
Testing 什么？
Test your circuit breaker.
不要。
Oh, okay. Then I give you this one.
This is an ignorant owner and arrogant. Let's see what happens next.
天哪，我回见。电话嘞，手上那个纸嘞。
Having a power failure is a telltale sign of failure in electrical system. Always look for a licensed electrician and engage only licensed electricians to do the electrical work and rectification. There is many of the owner has been enticed by the price offered by those unlicensed electricians. We have made videos and channels on case study of the recent rise of electrocution. Please subscribe and view the playlist below. Let's continue with the story.
Hello，阿星你在驾车啊？customer 啊 ，OK， 我家没有电啊，你在加 taxi 啊？那我知道，等一下我家没有电，你上来啊，宜顺啊 ，OK， 这样打给我啊，快点，我家没有电。
Shortly after a while, the friend, which is a taxi driver, reaches his place and he tried to recover the power for him. The owner also asked him, does electrical work require license? His friend told him that doing electrical work don't need to study and don't require license. It's just a skill job. However, this is not the case. A lot of people assume that electrician is a skill job. Let us see the recent rise in cases of people getting into trouble when engaging a non-licensed electrician, and they believe in this myth that electrician is a skill job. No license is required.
哎呀，惊先大下了啦，做点免license的啦，咱做点license便宜的。
This story here is to bring awareness to the recent rise in electrocution and electrical fire. Please only engage licensed electrician for your electrical work and do not trade your loved one's safety for a bargain. Thank you.